today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these huge lucky blocks and also how to level 200. This is the max level for escape floor is lava for brain rots. Are you ready, guys? Okay. We're gonna need the secret blocks, secret lucky blocks that almost 120 level. We're going to use a spawn machine. Also, guys, you can also bought this in our shop. You can buy it to Robux. But now I'm going to show you how it works in spawn machine. This is the secret lucky blocks. You need this 27 pieces for one huge lucky blocks. So here, and also guys, look at this. My spawn machine is, wait, I'm gonna show you. My name is hiding it. Okay, here, spawn machine. So you need to have a 2 hours playtime to have a luck 999 times. So it will increase the mutation and level. So I have put a secret lucky blocks normal. Okay, so successfully start. We're going to wait for it. So while we're waiting, I'm gonna spawn a secret lucky blocks. So I'm doing farming this because I need to have 24 huge lucky blocks. I will show you in the next video. So here I spawn secret lucky blocks, 200 admin points, and the other is the lucky block stone secret also 20 admin points. Level it up to 120. Look at this. Put the secret blocks and wait, we're gonna get the other one before it disappears. Okay, I still have 127. So we're gonna put it up. So guys, we have 6-7 subscribers now. So if we get 100 subscriber, this one of my huge lucky blocks or huge brain rots at level 200, I will give away. I will choose one of the subscriber. And also comment in the section why should I give to you the huge brain rot level 200. So I will read your comments. Who touched my heart or I choose a message that I will choose to have this brain rot. Okay, we level it up. So it hurts in my finger. So click. Upgrade. Yeah. Okay, we got it. Put it back to our cache. So we're going back here to our spawn machine. And the time left is 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm readying also the next mix is the admin lucky block. So I also do it before I do this video. I already did. So After the 27 secret lucky blocks, we gonna have a admin lucky blocks. So this is 9 admin lucky blocks. We need 9 admin lucky blocks. So this is a diamond, because normal, next to normal is gold and diamond, because I have a luck 999 times, so the normal jump to diamond. So you better stay in the game at least 2 hours to have that luck. And so we're gonna do some admin commands to have additional points. So I fast forward it. Here we go. We get the admin lucky blocks. Diamond mutation. Look at that, guys. So here in our second spawn machine, we're gonna mix an admin lucky blocks. Deposit. So their levels is different now. So you're gonna mix at least different levels 1 to 19 to increase the level, because if you have a large difference like 20 plus difference of the level, it will decrease. Okay, so remember that. So we're gonna do is here, look at this divine lucky blocks. This should next to the spawn machine, because I got the diamond. Next to diamond is rainbow, then blood moon. Okay, so I got a divine lucky blocks blood moon. So guys, I'm fasting the speed because of the 10 minutes. Okay, here we go. You see my divine lucky blocks blood moon. Look at that thread. It's so look a lava. Right, guys? Oh, look at that. Starting a blood moon mutation. Oh, look at that. Oh, my character or my avatars, it fits to a blood moon. Wow, look at that. So beautiful, guys. That's awesome. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Why should I give or I choose you to be the next lucky subscriber to have super admin in your server and give you a OP brain rots. Alright? Okay, I have a 67 a subscriber, but I am gonna choose if I hit 100 subscribers. Okay. Also, guys, share this video to your friends. And the Roblox game, you can add me. I will accept you. Comment that you add me so I can accept who is my subscriber adding me. Also follow me in Roblox. Wow, here we go. We're gonna start this. Oh, wait, there's a blood moon. Still continue. Oh, I got that in my head. So let's start this. Gonna have a huge lucky blocks. Okay, guys, by the way, this like the games also. Escape floor is lava brain rots. 100 likes, it's gonna spawn a OG. And 500 likes, it's gonna spawn divine. Oh, I'm gonna stand here because the blood moon background, but it's not. It's okay. So guys, comment, share this. Okay, I'm gonna do some commands because I need admin points to have more secret lucky blocks. So I spawn using this super admin. It's super cool, awesome. I can use this for spawning in every 10 minutes, and lucky blocks is every 30 minutes. So you need admin points. Save admin points to do this. Alright guys? Okay, while we waiting, it's 8 minutes. So we're gonna do some commands. I'm gonna speed up the time. Alright? Okay, while we waiting, I need to see the bar of the time. Okay, wait, there's a secret lucky blocks. Wait. Before we do some commands, we get this. So if you don't leave the server every 1 hour, there will be a spawn of secret lucky blocks or admin lucky blocks or divine lucky blocks. But the rarest is huge lucky blocks that will be spawned. Okay, we need to level up this. Your brain load max level. I misclick the other one. Okay, click. Upgrade. Oh, my hand is starting this upgrading. I hope there is a one-click button where I can level it up what level I want. Okay, here we go. Okay, put this back. Then okay. Let's check the time. Okay, the time left is 7 minutes. So let's do some admin commands. Okay. By the way, guys, I'm like this video, comment, don't forget to comment and share and subscribe. Let's help me to reach 100 subscriber. Oh, wait, there's galaxy. So I spawn a server lock 999 times. So here I'm gonna get some brain rots to index. I need is divine. Oh, there's my huge lucky block is done. But wait, we're gonna do this. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm here in divine. So here in divine, you see that? Congrats, you just got something in the secret room, because here in the divine area is the secret room, guys. At my back, look here. Oh, you know that? Oh, thanks to my video also, I got 1,000 views. Wow, that's so awesome, guys. So you got me that video. So here, let's celebrate tacos, dance, rainbow, and wiggle. So let's see if there's a divine. I need a divine. Galaxy, I need this. Peanut, Piancharo, Cactus Mingo, Frayuro, Spaghetti Toilet, huge L and huge sigma boy. So this I need to have a galaxy base. So there is no spawning in divine. Oh, smart cat. Wait, I'm gonna check it. There, I already have it. My inventory is full, so I did not get this. I need to organize my inventory first. Okay, let's some spawn. Oh, can spawn the secret block. There's a cooldown. Okay. While we waiting, guys, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, so I can give more brain roots to you. I get that orgies. Okay, I spawn a secret lucky block. Now we're getting up. So this game, guys, is so cool. Really until this game. Oh, you see the huge lucky block there? First, I'm gonna level up this before I put in my inventory. So, I did not miss leveling them up. I just put them in the spawn machine and spawn machine and mix continuously. So, secret blocks is 5 minutes and the admin lucky blocks is 10 minutes. Divine lucky blocks 10 minutes. In the spawn machine. So if you're going to do that, oh, here we go. I'm gonna do this first. Look at that, guys. Huge lucky blocks. We're gonna take it. And the level is level 200, guys. So this is the max level of the brain rot. So we achieve it by using secret lucky blocks level 120. Okay, let's celebrate. Dance, tacos, rape, wiggle. Yes, look at that, so crazy, so awesome. So I have a 6-7 subscribers. 6-7. So we're gonna need a 100 subscribers to giveaways. Look at that. I have 4 huge lucky blocks now. I'm gonna pull this whole base of the huge lucky blocks. So guys, like the video, subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends, comment also your user's name, and comment why should I choose you to be the next lucky subscriber. Okay, guys, so this is how you make huge lucky blocks. Okay, that's all for today. See you on my next video. Bye. Bye.